This is my pre-birthday glam face. And yeah, let's get started. Okay, hey babes, and welcome to a new video here on my channel. This video is pretty simple. Today, when you guys see this, the 14th of April, it is my birthday. I turn 24 today, which is fun. Today it is the 13th and it is a Saturday, and I'm going to celebrate my birthday today with my friends and family. So I'm gonna get ready and you guys will see everything that I do. You guys probably saw this in my like flawless everyday makeup routine that I did like a few weeks ago. This Honey Do Me Up primer. Also, I don't know if you guys can see, but my hair is fucked. That is why I've been walking around with a hat on. Now for the best foundation ever. I am so obsessed with this. This is the Too Faced Peach Perfect Comfort Matte Foundation, and I have it in the lightest shade called Snow. If you guys are wondering about today's plans, I don't really have that much planned, nothing really special. My boyfriend is out on town getting something for me, some kind of present for me, which is interesting. We'll see what it is. You guys will probably see on Instagram tomorrow or today for you guys. And then a little bit later, my mom's gonna pick me up, and my mom and boyfriend are going to go to my sister's. So we're just gonna have a dinner with my mom, dad, two sisters, my boyfriend, my sister's boyfriend, and grandma and grandpa, and it will be really nice. And after that, I'm gonna head into town with my boyfriend and we are going to party. We're just gonna meet up with a few friends and get some drinks. For concealer, I am using 2 shades of the NYX Professional Makeup Can't Stop Won't Stop concealer. I'm using Alabster and Pale a little bit underneath the eyes, and then Alabster on some other parts like here. By the way, I'm so excited to try Free Stars concealer. Speaking of launches or releases, today it's not only my birthday, but it's like the most important. But also, I mean, Game of Thrones, hello! So the Urban Decay Game of Thrones collection will launch today. Also, the new season of Game of Thrones will launch. Not for us Swedes though. We will have to wait until Monday, the 15th, to be able to see it. And what else was it? Oh, that's right. Tarte will finally launch in Sweden today. So for y'all Swedish people, go to sephora.se and check out Tarte. I freaking love Tarte, so I'm so excited about it. Also, if you guys are wondering, here I have a little bruise, so also, if any of you guys also have a birthday today, the 14th, then happy birthday. I'm really not that hyped about my birthday, but I don't know. It's just fun. But I don't really care, honestly. And now for powder, of course, I really have to get a new one of these. This is the Nabla Close Up powder. The best powder in the entire world. So I'm just gonna apply that with my beauty blender underneath my eyes and a little bit in the T-zone. And then my favorite contour kit is Kat Von D. Also, by the way, for those of you that wanted me to stop using Kat Von D when the thing about vaccination and her unborn child, or is it born? I don't know. But what do you guys think of her, like, not apology video, but a video explaining things? I don't know what I'm trying to say, but for those of you that stopped using Kat Von D after that came out, have you guys seen the video, and what did you guys think of the brand and her after that video? I would love to know, because it didn't really make sense for me. Her video, I didn't really get it. It's like she didn't really say anything about anything, I feel like. And let's bronze just a little bit. Also, by the way, if you guys like my nail polish, my nails are looking horrible, but the nail polish, I made it myself. It's so cool. It's not a shade that you can buy, but I did get it done at a event. So I mixed it together myself and it's really cute. But if you guys want me to make a nail polish, I mean, holla at your favorite nail polish brand and maybe I can. I feel like it would be really fun. If any of you are from Sweden and are interested in Tarte and their blushes, this is my absolute favorite blush from them. It is called Captivating and it really captivates. And it is launching today at sephora.se, which is really, really cool. It's one of those brands that I've not really been able to buy, obviously. And I just really want to try like everything. Maybe I should do a full face of Tarte. That would be fun actually, because I feel like most of their products are like really, really good. And then for some loose highlighter from Anastasia Beverly Hills. And this one is in So Hollywood, right? Yeah. So I'm just gonna use it on the places I always use. And now for brows, but also roots. As you guys can see, my roots are absolutely horrible right now. For hiding my horrible, horrible roots, I'm going to go in with New Wave from the Subculture palette. Anastasia Beverly Hills, of course. That is the one that I use for my brows and have been for like half a year. I don't know how long. Very long time. But what I do, I just like paint and it just looks so much better afterwards. And also I'm gonna do a little bit right here. I mean, just look at the difference. And now I'm just gonna quickly do my brows and yeah. You guys know I love Anastasia's eyeshadow palettes, so I'm gonna go in with the Soft Glam for today's eye look. And I think that I'm just going to do a very quick time-lapse kind of thing, because I feel like this video is already like 500 million years long. I'm just gonna go in with a few of these shades, probably like burnt orange, sienna, mulberry, fairy, and bronze. So bronzy, warm toned, let's go. Alright, so the eyeshadow is done. You guys know I went for something that I always go for. Brown shades, warm tones, gold, cat eye. I'm gonna go in with the Epic ink liner that I trust with my life. And I'm gonna create a winged liner. Now for lashes. And this is one of two products in this video that has not launched yet. But will, and I'm really excited about it, but I can't tell you. I've never really had any secrets from you guys, but now I have two. Okay, so let's put these on. I mean, how pretty is that lash? And now for mascara, I'm using my favorite Perversion from Urban Decay. I don't know how I do it, but I always get like chunks of makeup on my hands. I mean, now it's only time for the lips. And this is the next secret and the next non-released product yet. So I'm just gonna put it on and show you guys. I mean, how pretty is this lipstick? I really like it. And you guys will hear about it more soon. Okay, now makeup is done. I'm just gonna do my hair. Curly, wavy, or straight. I'm gonna ask you guys on Instagram. So see you guys soon when I've gotten like a few answers from you guys. Alright, so we have a result, and you guys want me to have curly hair. It's 79% curly and straight 21. So yeah, let's curl our hair. So I'm just gonna let it cool a little bit, and then I will tease it, and then I will hairspray it, and then I will use some shine serums, and then I will show you guys the outfit. Woo! It is so hard to film your entire body without using my entire mess of a apartment. So you guys will have to see it like this. Kind of weird, but still it works. I mean, at least I think it does. So this is the makeup. I'm so happy with it, and I love the lashes and the lipstick. And this is the dress that I am going to wear today. It is from Boohoo. I can link it if I find it. And then the shoes are also from Boohoo, and they go to here. Sorry, I'm kind of in a rush, so that is why I'm like out of breath. But I will have this bag from Dollskill that I absolutely love and have used ever since I got it. And then I will have my Dollskill big ass jacket because it just works with everything. It is long and warm. Alright, so that is it for this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. I enjoyed making it. Please say happy birthday in the comments because that would be really nice. My mom is now calling me and I have to go. So yeah, hope you have an amazing day, and I hope that we will see each other in the next video. Bye.